make it your own or whatever. Like, I mean, Coke spoke. It was more like that old school pimp talk. And then we just started embellishing, you know what I mean?
Live at the Bonanza, Financer, I like the banger. I set it off like a firecracker, aim it at a bystander, hold it down like an anchor, striking like Adesanya. I rock the uncut gems, Adam Sandler. I blam ya, there ain't no blem in my ganja. I speak with candor, sing the crabs in the barrel clamber, giving you the slip like a salamander. Like the reefer, ice in the caipirinha. Fly geezer, flying in the white beamer. The king cobra, grill smoker. The big bill folder, wake and bake bread and rum, a real stoner. I watch the crash on the dash cam. Bad man, backstrapping hash at the ashram. I put a hole in your gas tank. I flash the cash, push the fork through the lamb shank.
Like I said, I got rhyme books. I can fill this room up with rhyme books, you know what I mean? I mean, if you say I play ball, come on, let's play it.
Houston, we have a problem. Man ain't stopping until all my friends are driving Porsches like Janis Joplin. Ragamuffin. Got your bitch trying to grab my Johnson, but man ain't trying to get the Magic Johnson. Shadow boxing, goons in the Wetherspoons. I see my uncle let it bubble on the metal spoon. I sold the puzzle, pulled the pack from the bubble goose. Psychedelic cowboy playing buckaroo. Girl Scout cookie monster, chase the chicken like the chupacabra. 2 G's in my Gucci jumper, bear with me G. I've been smoking trees in my Airbnb, wearing bread D&G. It's levels to this here, don't compare them to me. Guerrilla warfare, what's a bear to Khabib? Sugar Shane strike, shake a bear at the beat.